Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix no enhancement tab in your sound setting on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to see enhancement tab on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 in your sound setting, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just click on the search menu, then type here device manager. Click on this device manager. Here you will find sound video and game controller. Double click and expand. Select your sound driver, right click on that, then click on disable device, then click on yes. After that, right click on that, then click on update driver, then click on browse my computer for the drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select the driver, click on next, then click on yes. Then your driver will be updated. After updating, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, then you can check. Just click on this search option, then type your control panel. Click on this category, then click on large icon. In this you have to click on sound. Here you have to click on this sound. Just click on the sound. Click on the speaker. Click on property. Then here you will find your enhancement tab. You have to make sure that you have restarted your PC after doing the device manager update process. After restarting, you will see this option. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix no enhancement tab in sound setting on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.